not perfect? Who says you're not worth it? Who says you're not beautiful? Who says? Hi Charmers! If you're new to our channel, I'm Shruti.
I'm Nila.
And we're the Charmers. Yeah. So today we're gonna make salt dough. And we are gonna model it. Oh, I'm so excited to make it.
Yeah.
The salt dough is like Play-Doh. It is so nice to play with it. You can give it to your kids for playing. They will love to play with it. You can teach how to make cars, toys, or anything, whatever they want.
And I'm excited for the review. What's going to come.
Let's begin the ingredients. Here are the ingredients for salt dough or Play-Doh. We need 2 cups of Maida or all-purpose flour, half cup of salt and half cup of water, and we may need some oil at the last and we'll get mixed with it. So first let's add the all-purpose flour. You add wow. Now we need half a cup of salt. Pour in the salt. Pour in the salt.
Only half a cup. Yeah. Just much
More, a little more. Yeah, I think it's okay. Oh, it's more, okay.
That is enough.
Yes, it's also a lot of salt.
Because that's the main.
Now we have to pour the water little by little, half cup. So what will you mix? Mix it. While I'm doing it, how you mix it.
Wow, it's so loud.
Mix it like this.
Pour on the pour everything. Wow. Okay, so now you mix it.
Okay, 1 minute, give me. I think it's now.
And the half cup of water. Keep on.
And we added 3 teaspoons of oil. And we're going to pour some hot water.
It's very hot.
Warm, it's warm, not very hot. You can mix it.
This is a little harder.
I'll just mix a little and then you mix. Now it's almost ready. It's like chapati maavu. So we can use our hands now. Okay, we will divide it half. So we put a plastic cover so that it won't get messy. You have to also do like this. So the fun part, so we will play with it for some time and then the fun part will get over. Okay, you take half and then we'll play.
I need a little larger than you.
Yeah, because I have well, it's like a real Play-Doh. It's so good.
Is it funny to play with this?
Yeah.
Funny and fun, actually.
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's so soft.
Play-Doh மாதிரியே இருக்குதா?
Wow. It's even a bit stretchy.
ரெண்டு பேரும் என்ன பண்ண போறீங்க இத வச்சு?
I'm going to make pencil stand.
And I'm going to make a flower. This looks like a slug.
Ooh, I love it. So
It's like
you
coming.
can make lots of things.
Like this, you can make lots of shapes. And even this looks like slug.
Like you can make a snowman. Like you can paint it inside your home. You can do like snowman, snowman, snowman.
I'll just one time try a snowman and then I love to make snowman.
First the big body, next a medium size, next a small size. A snowman, and then you can just decorate it. Yeah.
I love playing with snow. So I'm just making cold snow.
It feels so good. Oh wow. It's smells so good too.
Yeah, I feel like eating it, but it's too salty.
Yeah. Now the fun part is over. Now we are going to make our pencil stand.
And me, the flower. So first we are going to make the flower. So first you can put like a cling wrap around or any like
Plastic cover.
And then
இந்த கப்ல வந்து பிளாஸ்டிக் கவர் வந்து இந்த மாதிரி சுத்தி வச்சிருக்காங்க. அப்பதான் வந்து கொஞ்சம் காஞ்சதுமே வந்து அந்த பிளேடோ வந்து கப்பை விட்டு வெளில ஈஸியா வந்துரும் அதுக்காக.
So and I'm making like this a ball and just squishing in a perfect circle, not too small and not too big. Should be in the perfect size. It's coming good. I think so. You can make how much ever layers you want. So I don't know sure how much I'm going to make. And we finished the round petals, and for the base, this up thing or something, we need to make a big round. So I'm going to put this right over here. And for the holes inside like seeds, you can use like pencils. I'm going to use this pen. This pen don't work, so I'm using this. Make sure that you're not putting in the petals.
This is actually my school project. We are doing it and showing you.
I finished doing my flower. I will keep it for drying, and then we'll start to paint.
Now it's my turn. I'm gonna. Now I wrote my dough and I'm going to make a DIY pencil stand with this tea box. So I'm gonna just roll it on this. Now we will glue the dough to this tea box. Spread it all. Now we'll cut off the excess. down. Down, the excess on the side. So, we arrange it so you can smooth it so that it will be even everywhere. So after that, I'm going to decorate it like with flowers or anything you want. I'm going to decorate like flowers. You can decorate it however way you want, and then we are going to keep it for drying, and then we'll paint it, and then we'll show you guys. Okay, so we had a lot of fun making this, guys. I made the night sky in my pencil box. See guys, now it's dried. We can paint. Nila's flower is also ready, so we'll take out from the bubble. Yeah, wow. Nila, you did a great job.
Really?
Yeah, it's amazing.
I'm so happy that it came so good. And now I'm going to paint the sunflower.
Devotion, higher, how deep is your love? How deep is your love? Like the ocean, devotion, higher, how deep is your love? सीधी सादी थोड़ी शराबी हो गई, अजीब से पहर के को तूने मारा डुमका, थोड़ा डूब पड़ोसन के बारे हो गए, क्यों ना देखा अरे हाय अरे हाय हाय बुलाया इतना मजा क्यों मेरे हाय it's like the ocean, what devotion, oh yeah. So we are using watercolors. If you have acrylic colors, it is very good for this. You can use acrylic colors, but any colors is good for this, so you can use any paint color. And see, it turned out very nice in the first side. I have to finish 3 more sides. It will take so long.
And another 1 item to go. Like it was just 5 and 5, so I just colored 2 colors.
It looks very pretty. Guys, you want to see the final look of the pencil holder and flower? This is my night sky pencil stand.
And this is my flower key stand. You can keep key inside this because it's like a flower, which you can keep key. But we need to take this off.
Yeah.
So, okay guys, if you like this video,
Please subscribe.